Good morning, students. Today we will discuss on topic water of class 6. In this chapter we will discuss about the properties of water and the importance of water. Here water is questioning who am I? For that I will give you a clue. I'm tasteless, I'm colorless, I'm shapeless, I'm odorless, but without me there is no life. Can you tell me who am I? Yes, I am water. So the answer is water. Why? Because water does not have any taste, any color, any shape, any odor, and without water life is just impossible. We cannot imagine our life without water even a single day. So water is very precious for us. Now a question arises, why do we need water? What is the importance of water in our life? So water is needed to carry nutrients and waste in the body and to lubricate joint, digestive tract and body tissues. Water is also needed to cool the body. It means it helps to maintain the temperature of the body, especially during the periods of physical activity. Water is also needed to be used in factories, agriculture, hospital, hotels, domestic uses, etc. Now, where can we get water? So, what are the sources of water? On Earth, there is about 97% of water is present, and only out of that 3% water is fresh water. It means only 3% water is just available for us to drink. We can drink only 3% water on Earth, but that water is present in the form of in lakes, rivers, polar ice caps, clouds, rain, aquifers, sea ice. As we know, these all sources are not always available for us to drink water. So only a very small amount of that water is we use in our life. Only 0.03% water we use in our life. That is generally from the rivers, lakes and through the rains. That water is used by us. Then what is water shortage? We generally had this word water shortage. So water shortage happens when an area does not have enough water to meet the needs of the people who live there, or the water shortage is caused due to too much demand of water or not enough supply. In these two cases, when there is no enough supply of water or when increases the demand of water occurs, in these two cases water shortage occur. So it's always recommend that do not waste water, save water. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.